Hello, in this video I want to show you how to remove password from Wi-Fi networks in a Mercusys router. And to do this, first we'll need to open configuration website, which is mwlogin.net. It will ask you for a username and password, and by default it should be admin. Then we can move to the Wi-Fi network that we want to set free of the password. And in this case, let's go for 2.4. Now we need to enable it. And then on the right, there's no security. Switch it on and save the settings. Go to your Wi-Fi. It will refresh for available networks. And as you can see, this network doesn't need a password and we can just connect to it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.